Oh, Jeff, I'm sorry, Louis. Let's get back to you.
Okay, again, I don't know your relationship with him that well. I just got a call.
To do, you know? I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
What is music, how music works. So I picked up an instrument to just get a fundamental understanding of music. Let me learn some basic stuff. What is a major chord? Let me learn basic stuff so I could speak on, you know, the theoretical aspect of music. And I just got sucked into it.
Probably poker.
One of my kids' friends, you know, I just, when they were young. All right, go to your question. I'm sorry.
I was going to say the cheddar potatoes. You knew where they got the lobsters, so you had maybe pusher pressure.
like a little finely honed characters you played, and these really like super neurotic, great.
It's just it's outstanding.
This kid and says, "Here you go, boy. Maybe you can ride him now." And the kid comes off the fence and goes for it with aim.
I got superpowers. My superpowers are the power of persuasion. I'm like Professor X, but darker.
I know there's. Do you have any pets? You know.
Well, I
really have a degree.
Perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.